today. This is very good photo.
Yeah.
Today on the 27th of July 2023, we have Porvoonkatu 27. And this is the stake speed. We should also get to the stake A here.
Yeah.
When we can. It's a bit dark inside though. But, it's built by Kone originally in 1929, but it was late because the building dates back to 1928, but the elevator was dated to 1929.
Yeah.
December is H1173 in the both official languages. Capacity is 3 per certain frames. We are here in Alpi High Park. But close to Claudia. Sorry. And still the antique original buttons inside.
Yeah.
And on the outside they changed them. But here they have them, so 2 rights or?
Yeah.
Call buttons the same here, maybe, right?
Yes.
The machine must have been changed. I see that around there.
Yeah.
It's probably changed in the early 2000s. Or
Yeah, probably.
those buttons must be older than that.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
It will be expecting the next year, 2024, the elevator will be 95 years old. The light is not good, but
Yeah.
should have been a yellow one
Yeah.
and the antique one.
Yeah.
Still was worth 2 rides, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
These buttons, they were very beautiful.
Yeah.
Also the small buttons were beautiful, even though they were not original.
Yeah.
Those buttons are maybe from 1950s.
Yeah. That's